Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm here at Sydenham for Sydenham Part 2. We have A54 pulling in on platform number 1 for a City Circle service. Whilst at the same time we have A57 pulling in on platform number 2 for a Lidcombe via Bankstown service. This train will be stopping at Marrickville, then all stations to Bankstown, then following by Yagoona, Biron, Regent's Park, Ballala and Lidcombe.
The train on platform 2 goes to Lidcombe via Bankstown. First stop Marrickville, then all stations to Bankstown.
Waratah A57 now departing platform number 2 for a Lidcombe service. This train will be stopping at Marrickville, followed by all stations to Bankstown, followed by Yagoona, Biron, Regent's Park, Ballala and then Lidcombe. T90 and Friend now departing platform number 5 for a Bondi Junction service. It'll be stopping at Redfern, then followed by Central, Town Hall, Barton Place, Kings Cross, Edgecliff and Bondi Junction. T90, the front 4 cars with a State of Origin advertising. The rear 4 cars of this 8-car Tangawa is T97. We have an 8-car Oscar passing us on platform number 6 for a Kiama service. H54 being the front 4 cars. The rear 4 cars is H53 sister sets. We've got Steam Loco 3642 passing platform number 4 at Sydenham. This will be going to Hurstville. And it's trailed by Alco 4490. They'll be heading to Hurstville. We have T31 pulling in on platform number 6 for a Cronulla service. T31 is the front 4 cars. And the rear 4 cars, he's judged by the carriage numbers, he's T34. T31 and T34 now departing platform number 6 for a Cronulla service. Next up this service is Walleye Creek. T31 the front 4 cars, the rear 4 cars is T34. At Sydenham, they have the orange station signs. That side says at the top. Some clown decided to scrub off a Y and a H at the bottom. And here she comes now. F1, led by C7396.
All stations to Liverpool. Customers on platform 4. The next train does not stop at this platform.
We have a Tangara passing us on platform number 5. Pulling in the Sydenham T101 is a front 4 cars. Three or four cars. I'll be able to tell that as soon as it departs. T101 and Putney now departing platform number 5 for a Bondi Junction service. The rear 4 car T100. It will be stopping at Redfern, then followed by Central, Town Hall, Martin Place, Kings Cross, Edgecliff and Bondi Junction. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I'll see you at Cogra. Till next time, goodbye for now.